Hi everyone, this is James from TentandTable.com. Now that summer's over, a lot of places around the country are starting to feel the cold air creeping in. Winter will also be here before you know it, so I'd like to share some tips and recommendations for how to be smart with tent setups and heater usage. Before we get into the heaters, I'd like to reiterate something a lot of you will already be aware of. We do not recommend usage of tents during winter weather. The cold weather can cause cracking in the tent features, and on top of that, our tents are not rated for snow load. If you live in a cold area and you're getting snow soon, we strongly recommend dropping your tent before the snow does it for you. That said, winter isn't the only season with low temperatures. If you must put tents out in the cold, then let's talk about the kind of heaters that should go with them. First of all, do not use torpedo heaters inside of your tents. We do not sell them and we do not recommend them. They smell bad, they produce open flames, and they are not safe for use inside of tents. Lucky for you though, we have alternatives. Here at Tent and Table, we sell LB white heaters and all the accessories you need for using them with our tents. Now I've got some tips for you that you can use for your next setup. First of all, we don't recommend using these heaters inside your tent. You want to use sidewalls with your tent and then duct the heater in from the outside. This means considering the exact ducts you need to fill your tent. Tent and Table sales reps will be more than happy to help you find which ducts work best for the tent you have in mind. We sell propane heaters and dual fuel heaters. Dual fuel heaters are more versatile and can be used either with propane or with natural gas. We know natural gas isn't an option for everybody, but if you have access to it, then these models allow you to keep the area warm without worrying about swapping out propane tanks. If you are using propane tanks though, you've got a couple other things to consider. You should always check with your local municipality and make sure you're taking the correct steps when it comes to handling and securing your propane tanks. Past that, the owner manual that comes with your heater can tell you exactly how much fuel you need in relation to how long you'll be using the heater and how big your tent is. Lastly, it's also important to know exactly what kind of heater is usable with your tent. We've got a helpful little table here for some of our more popular tent sizes, but if you need to get more specific, give one of our customer sales reps a call. We hope you found this informational video useful, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for choosing Tent and Table.